Hello and welcome to the series where I share you how to work with the Trello. Trello is almost free application based on the Kanban methodology, where we can use board as a project, list as a stage, and card as a task. When I was a freelancer a couple of years back, more than 8 years back, I used extensively Trello to track my project, each task, and feedback. Currently, Trello is available as a premium and a free. If you want to use a free version, you can create almost 10 boards on it and unlimited card. When you go for premium, then you have some extra features that will help you to view the different timeline view, calendar view. All those views will be available if you go for a premium version. So I'm going to log in Trello. So for this, you have to go on a trello.com. So this is the home page. Here, if you see a list of highlights, my task highlights are available. I will go in more detail in second part of this video. And if you see, here are all my boards. And if you want to create a new board, there are two options are here. Either click here. As I already told you, I have a premium version. So here we have extra features like a create workspace. You can create board directly. You can create with start with a template, or you can go for creating a dashboard with here create dashboard. Okay, I click on board, and here I'm going to enter So I enter the board name where it will be created. It will be created at a workspace, and here are different options that will be available as a background. This version, and this version background, or even we can set a solid color in it here. For example, my board will be of green color, and if I click here, there are more colors are also available. So I'm going to select this color. So I'm going to click on create. You can see new board is created, and it has a 3 list. One is to do, second is doing, and third is done. We can add as many as list as per our requirement, as per our workflow. So in the simplest task list, we have a 3 stages for every task. We have a to-do list where we have to create a list of items, list of tasks that we have to complete. Then second one will be a doing, that on task we will going to create. And the second list is for doing. Doing means that these cards or tasks are under progress. We are working on these, and then done, that these tasks are completed. So I am going to create one more list, waiting list. Suppose I have completed some task and the task is delivered to some client, and I am waiting for his response. So my progress is completed, but it is still in waiting stage. For this, I am going to create a new list that is called waiting, and that is the stage. And I can move this waiting stage here. And now I'm going to create a few cards as a sample card, and then I will share you how you can drag. For example, I'm going to create a card 1, then click on a card 2, then click on a card 3. Suppose I start working on a card 1, I move this card here in a card 1, and then I move this card 2 in a waiting stage, and from waiting stage I move this task to done. So in this way our workflow will be completed. Now I'm going back to my home, and where I share you a few more features in little detail. For this, I have to click on this button Trello, and you can see this is my home page, and on home page all my active task log will be there. For example, I use the one Pomelo timer in the application. So his time log will be shown here. For example, total time spent 25 minutes, and stop task 7 p.m. and 12th July, and I spent 2 hours and 5 minutes on this specific task. All highlights and due tasks will be shown here. Now I'm going towards the templates. What will be the templates? There are hundreds of templates are available. For example, templates are built-in boards that someone used in their field, and that board is matured enough, so they share it as a sample. So a lot of A lot of templates are available in a different categories, for example business, design, education, engineering, market, HR operations, person, productivity, product management, project management, remote work, sales, sport. So all these are templates are available on the screen. So I'm going to search some remote work. So for remote work, some tasks, some templates are already available, and I am going to this work from home daily planner, and that is done by some lady, and I click on it. So a board is created by that guy. You want to share it, or you some guideline is available there, and if you click on use template, this board will be created. So I'm going to create use this template. I click on use template. It asks me the title, the same card boards are in your required in your board. So I click here, I change its name, Dastan go work from home, right? And then I click on create. It creates complete template. For example, what she did, she used this template. One is info, and then to do this weekend info, she possibly add some backlog or references. Then Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and completed task. In this template we can plan our whole week. So this is the overview of a very starting point of Trello, and where I share you how you log in into Trello. If you are new to Trello, then you have to register it. In a free version you get a 10 board that are more than enough, unlimited list and cards in each board. And then you go for a premium. If you go for a premium, a lot of power-ups are extra features that help you to control your workflow. They added features like calendar power-up of many more things. And then share you how can you use the template to create board based on template. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.